Hi, this is Elan Academia and you're watching our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss four very important functions of Excel: date, XNPV, XIRR, and if-error function. We will use this function in our investment appraisal process. So let's start it by entering the years. This is the year 0, type 0. You will see this appearing this 0. So press Ctrl 1. Go to custom settings, here, inverted commas, type year, like this, to give you the text with it. Okay, then 0 plus 1, and here, shift right, Control R. We have our 10 years. Now we need to calculate the date by using the date function. For the year 0, for the year 0, we have to calculate as of today date. For that, we need today function and close parenthesis, press enter. Alright, we skipped some formatting over here. Let's copy, Control C, Alt EST. There you go. Alright, so for the date function, we will start it from year 1, press equal, date, open parenthesis, year 2020, parenthesis, the month, open parenthesis, choose the same month, the day, parenthesis, same day, parenthesis. Okay. So we have 23rd October 2020 in the year 1, but we need the end of the next year. For that, what we will do, we will add plus 1 after the year. There you go. Then we will drag right, solve formula, press Ctrl R, up to 2030. Alright, now we have initial investment of 1,50,000 and some net incomes appearing in the next 10 years. Let's calculate the net cash flow, press equal, type sum, open parenthesis, like these two rows. There you go. Shift right, Control R. There you go. We have net cash flows. Now let's calculate the net present value. Type equals XNPV function. One parenthesis, it asks for rate, that is discount rate. Now the values, comma, the dates, close parenthesis, press enter. So we have the positive net present value of $70,183. Now let's calculate IRR. For that, we will use IRR function. Ask for values, like the values, like this, comma, the dates. These are the dates we will calculate. Close parenthesis, press enter. Now our project has internal rate of return of 10% with a net present value of $70,183 US. Alright, so one function remains, which is called if-error function. For example, you mistakenly deleted the discount rate. Now it gives you an error. So how to deal this error? Press F2, open the formula, type if error, parenthesis, over there. This is the value for the error. What will appear if there would be an error? We will say type information missing. There we go. Here it is. If there would be any error and mistakenly something is deleted, then net present value will say information missing, and you will find out that information or any cell which lacks the character or string or some number, and you will add it up, like 4.5%. There you go, 70,183. For example, you deleted like 0, says information missing. Press Ctrl C, back here. So that's for today. Thank you for watching.